Welcome back to the channel, guys. I was not gonna film this when I'm taking this air box off, but I say why not? Let's just film it. Yeah, it's content, right? So let's film it. I'm filming it. Let's start taking it apart. Start taking it apart. Move that. I gotta put that back there because I don't want to forget how this stuff goes back on here. But I had to take that off to remove another screw down here for this air box. Okay. AC unit. It's one of the screws. There's two more down here. Another one over here. Okay. Because I don't want to take that off. This thing I got one screw that needs to come off over here. I'm going to put that screw back in there because stupid mosquitoes out here trying to get me. Oh, come on, go in. Alright. Got it. Okay. That's separated from there. What's new? Okay. Let's see. Put those screws there. Yeah, I think we got some on the front side that we need to take off. Okay, hold on. Whoa. Alright, now let's see, one need to come off on the front side here. Okay. Yeah, this one gotta come off. See, we got that, get that because, yeah, we got that, okay. That needs to come off anymore. Got it. Can't come off that easy, right? Can't come apart that easy. Gotta have some more somewhere. Not, that was too easy. I don't remember how I took the other one off. I don't. I know I had to cut it out because I had to cut it out, but I cut it out because time was getting limited. They were about to be closed in a little bit, so I had to rush and try to get the sucker out of there. So I had to cut that metal. I had to cut that metal part out at the junkyard. At an LKQ, I guess you could call LKQ a junkyard because that's basically what it is. It's a fancy junkyard. Whoa. Got radiator fluid. You got radiator fluid coming out of this thing. Don't want to get none of that on you. If you're doing this yourself, You don't want to get none of that on. Don't want to get none of those radiator fluid on. Okay. Okay, I think we got it. Just this. So we couple of things here need to be pulled out. And we'll do it. Okay. Got that. That's not hooked. This one will come out. Oh, shoot. I hope I don't need that. Man, I hope I don't need that. Man, I gotta do that. That can stay on. Alright. Don't want to pop any of these wires if you don't have to. Don't want to pop any of them or break any of them, because you never know what you're going to need when you're doing something like this. Oh, man, come on. Gotcha. Okay. Gotcha. And all right. I think we got it. Okay. Not want to break nothing. We don't have to, and we do not have to. So find a way to get this off without breaking it. Ah, man, radiator fluid leaking out. Man. Need my glasses. Okay, I don't see how this comes on. I don't see how it comes on. Oh man, come on. Take that off. Then, let it come on. Get that part up. Alright, let's see. Don't remember how I did this. But I don't want to break it. That's for sure. Don't want to break it. That almost was a cut. Alright. Have the air box. Old air box is out, guys. There we have it. It's out. One piece. Radiator fluid all down there. So now these are not messed up, so we can definitely reuse these. Use these. I gotta replace this though. I gotta replace that. Tossed it to the side somewhere. But yeah. You gotta get all the good stuff off of here. Fan is still good. All the little sensors that open and close everything should be good. All this stuff should still, this stuff like this should still be good. Not a lot of those. Wish I didn't buy any of those. I don't think I bought them, but I probably did. I don't think so though, but maybe I did. Because they were expensive. I think the thing, well, my expensive might be different than your expensive. They were like, I think 15, 20 bucks a piece. And I think we need like 5 or 6 of them. So excuse me. So in my opinion, that was kind of expensive. And I said, I would rather make sure mine are broken before I replace them. But mine, all of them look pretty good. They look pretty good. That one. Like I said, I believe we got like 5 or 6 of those on here. So I believe mine are good. So no need to spend extra money when you don't have to. Well, if you don't have to spend that money, don't spend it. And be honest with you, looking at this thing, I could have kept this side right here. I could have just bought this side by itself and changed that side over there because it's burnt. I could have done that. I could have just brought this side. See, you got the screws to unscrew it right here. See, you got all the screws to unscrew this so we can separate this side by itself. You see it, clearly see it. That side can be separated, and this side I could have just cleaned it up and kept it. Little parts up here are good, nothing wrong with them. These little foam pieces, pretty good condition. So yeah, I could have kept this side over here because it's not burnt, it's not anything. Just this side over here is. That side over there is gone. Gone. It's a goner. But this side over here is in good condition. You see, it's in good condition. But what is done is done. We already got another one that I don't have to clean up or nothing, so I think we're gonna keep that one. You see? I think we're gonna keep that one. You see? Yeah. You see. Now, where did this thing go? Where did this screw go again, guys? I believe it goes right here. Yes, it goes there. Just want to make sure I have these bolts where they're supposed to go. and that one that goes down between that part that hooks to this. Yeah. Come. Gotta make sure we know what we're doing here. Did it go here? Let's see. No, that's too big. It goes here. Yes, it goes like that. Goes there. Just like that. So let's just put that screw back on there, shall we? Just because wait a minute. None of those are the screws. All of those are too big. Thought I saw one over here, right here. I think that's it. Let's see. Let's see if that's it or not. Let's see, it's screwing on there. And we have a match. It goes there. So we want to make sure we have everything the way it's supposed to go. So now, with that being said, look, it's about to rain out here, so I don't think I'm going to be putting the other one in right now. But let's go over there to look at the other one to make sure it is what it's supposed to be. Okay. Close this door here. Okay. Hopefully we don't have a hornet's nest in here. We don't have a big hornet's nest in here ready to bite my face off. Sting my face off. I gotta get this truck back on the road, guys. This truck was sitting for a while. Now that I'm getting this stuff together, we can do this. Okay, so this is the new air box, guys, and this is that membrane thing right here. This is the new box, and guess what? It all looks the same, I think. Wait a minute now. Let's see. Let's go back and look at this old thing over here. You're looking at it from this direction. I think it's the same. I think it's the same. It better be the same. It better be the same. If this thing ain't the same, man, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. It is the same. We good. We're good. Now we just gotta switch everything over. Put all the little stuff here and there where it's supposed to go.